Okay, in this video we'll be discussing about the osmosis. Osmosis is a process in which the movement of solvent particles from a region of low concentration solution to high concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane. Permeable membrane. So here what happening? The movement of solvent particles means here simply you can take a water particles from a region of low concentration to high concentration solution through semi-permeable membrane. So we'll take one example for here. So to understand the solvent particles, you take simply one beaker. Here in the beaker you take a water. So the water is a solvent. Now in the water, if you add some sugar crystals, now these are the sugar crystals, then sugar crystals dissolve. Now, so the substance which is dissolved in a solvent is called solute. So here sugar is a solute. And water is a solvent. Together water plus sugar is called solution. Now this is the sugar solution. That means the solute was dissolved in the solvent. So here what is the solvent? Water. So to understand this osmosis process, we have to take one example. Now you take this sugar solution. Now take one beaker. Now take a plasma membrane. It may be like an egg peel. When you break down that boiled egg, you can get a thin layer now. So that is a peel or layer. Simply you keep that layer in the beaker to separate that into two portions. So this is now egg peel. It works like a semi-permeable membrane. Now take a sugar solution. Now so this is a water in both portion A and portion B. Now add sugar into both solutions. Both portions. Here this is the sugar. Add more sugar to that part A, and here add less sugar solution. For example, just 8 molecules of sugar are there. So this is a less concentrated solution, that means low concentrated solution, and here is high concentrated solution. So according to the definition, movement of solvent particles. What is solvent here? The water is a solvent and solute is what? Sugar. Sugar is a solute. So this is a solute and solvent. So solute won't be passed, only solvent particles moves across the membrane because this is semi-permeable. It allows only the wanted particles to pass it. So as that definition, through this semi-permeable membrane, semi-permeable membrane is permeable to only the water molecule. So what happens? Gradually the water comes into the higher concentrated solution from a lower concentrated solution. So the water levels here decreased, not sugar levels. Water levels decreased. Now here the water levels increased. So the sugar crystals we can draw here. This sugar crystals. So here. Hope you have understood. That means only the water molecules pass across the semi-permeable membrane. This is what osmosis. Simple. In case of diffusion, it is a movement of molecules from a high concentration to low concentration solution without any membrane. So here in osmosis the membrane is very important. But in case of diffusion, there is no requirement of any kind of membrane. Simply it can happen in a liquids, gases, and even solids. For example, if you take a gases, when you spray a perfume in the corner of the room, that will spread throughout the room from a high concentration to the lower concentration until the level become equal. Until the level become equal. So after some time, the perfumes smell spread throughout the room, and wherever you smell that, you can get that same smell. That is about what diffusion. So here osmosis.